Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search a flight in the Asky application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the book button at the bottom of the page. So first you have to choose if it's a one-way or a round-trip flight. And then just give the countries. First the one that you're traveling from. And then your departure country. And you have to also give the departure date, so just do that. And then you can choose if you want to search for economy or business class flights, but you can also search for both. And then you can add the passengers, so you have to give the number of adults, child and infant that's going to travel with you. And once you did everything, you can type in your promo code, but that's just optional. And if you're done with everything, just click on the search flights button. And as you can see, there are no flight available for that date, but there is one 2 days later. So if you go that, you can see the details of the flight. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.